I'm Alyssa. This semester I tried to create my own video game using Unity. I used a previous story outline that I made in our Writing and Storyboarding for Games class, and I tried to flesh it out in a video game by doing the art and the programming. I mostly focused on the programming this semester. I ended up using some royalty-free assets for the art, although I did make the characters and then just a couple of the sprites for the artwork. Anyways, let's see the game. Woohoo! There's my game. Here's kind of an example of some of the programming I did for my game. Um, this is the dialogue manager that I'm using in my game to control the dialogue. I'm using this in unison with Ink, which is kind of like a narrative design tool that's made for games. So here you could see what they're talking about and the different choices that you can make, and then kind of this will reference this, and then Unity will then reference it, but this is just kind of an example of some of my code. We have some of my other functions here. Yeah. I also worked on some of the art in my game. I mentioned that I imported assets, but I definitely wanted to make my own characters instead of finding them online. I made all of these characters, and then these two I had some help from my sister to help modify. I also worked on these shoji and the tatami floors. Each of these characters has their own animation, and of course the player has all these 5 different animations you see at the bottom here. Here's a story outline I was working on for my game. Again, it ended up lower on my priorities list, but I did make some changes as well as add more complex stories for the characters, as well as some of the side characters. Of course, I'll be building upon this later on. Overall, I think I learned a lot from this project. I'll continue to work on my game and hopefully finish it. But thank you. Bye.